Hello guys, welcome back to the Python tutorial, and in today's lecture we will see container. Container is to store data in a manner such that we can store in a simple manner, we can retrieve data, we can modify data, and we can access data. So we will see some of containers are list, tuple, dictionary, sets. So today we will see list. List is same as array, where indexing takes place. We can access element via index, but only difference between array and list is that array is for homogeneous data type, but list can store multiple data types. Suppose list 1 I am storing my name, integer value, float value, and once again this thing. So this is list. If I am print list 1, so let me tell. So we can get that. We can also access the element via index position. So what's at 0? So at 0 it's Manish. What's at 3? It's a float. Sorry, man. 0, 1, 2, 3. So, and we can also do some operations on list. So before seeing that, make another list. List 2. Test 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. So perform some operation like print list 1 plus list 2. What will be there then? Then it will print, it will concatenate the list, both list 1 and list 2. If I will do like this, multiple 3, it's the repetition of a list 3 times. List 1 multiplied 3 times. Look here, repetition of list up to 3 times. And we can also try to, let me try to subtract list 2. Unsupported operand, we cannot subtract list from another list. So now another thing that we can do, also print Manish in list 1. I am checking, yeah, Manish is present in list 1. So yes, true, it's present. If I will check 6 is present in list or not, 6 is not, so it will return false. And also we can use loop for I in list 1, print I. Okay, so let us see this thing. Yeah, it's printing all this, accessing element via index. And there are many operations that we can perform using method, like suppose 3, another list 3, so this is a list. I want to calculate minimum, then list 3. So first check minimum 1, minimum is 1, and now maximum, so maximum is 10. Okay, fine. If we can also append element in list 3 dot append 15. Now print list 3. Okay, so here 15 is appended. And also we can sort the list. Here you will see list is sorted. Also we can reverse the list. Here list is reversed. So we can perform many operations like this, like pop, push, and reverse, sort. Sorting is very easy. We don't have to go for any quick sort and any other sort. We just store in list and apply formula list dot sort. So this is enough for list, and in next lecture we will see another container. And if you have any problem in list, just comment below. So I thank you for watching this video. Thank you.